Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. My direct number is 541-979-1770. Today I'm going to show you a Northwood Arctic Fox. This is a 2019, very fresh from the factory. It's the 285C, newer floor plan of what they make in their fifth wheel lineup. Come on inside. It's got the nice four-step, very easy assist, no weight to it whatsoever, very easy, very lightweight to put up. Locks in the doorway, doorway closes. The adjustable legs for different ground heights. Come on inside, very solid. So the new floor plan is a mid-kitchen. On the door side, we walk in, we got a nice little pull-out, hang our coat up closet. Real nice. Magazine rack, drawers below, the Thomas Paine couch with center console, overhead cabinetry throughout. This model has the latest and greatest new changes that they've done to it with the hardware on their cabinetry. You have the big center console. It has the little TV trays that kind of go in the corners here that will swivel for you there for your iPad or even maybe eating. Dual pane windows, dark shade out shades. This is going to be the new rear dinette area. Very, very nice. Nice dinette area. Nice big panoramic window view while we're eating all meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and or sitting there just to watch TV. Counter space here with the solid surface countertops. Cabinets inside. Cabinet below the seating area in the dinette as well. This is going to have the new flooring, the new wood colors. Nice big TV. Storage behind. AM/FM, CD, DVD, MP3, plays it all right there, one unit. Big drawers here. Notice the clear-cut plywood, solid wood cabinetry there, solid doors, fireplace. In the island here we have the island cabinet that opens up. Real nice feature. Moen faucet with spray nozzle. Big double stainless sink, just like at home, residential size. Nice usable workstation island here. Garbage can here. Pulls out the bottom. Under sink storage, tons of it underneath there. Very, very nice. Big four-door fridge. And freezer above. Double-sided. Lots of space. The microwave convection. Full-size residential size. Over and above cabinetry here. More cabinetry. 3-griddle cooktop here. The new Furrion oven with cooktop. Electronic spark ignition. Plug-in new backsplash here. Very, very nice. Easier to keep clean. Big drawers all the way down through. Nice pantry area right in the kitchen area. So everything is in a real easy access for the KitchenAid. Overhead cabinetry. More cabinetry there with the glass inlay. Very nice touch. More space here for the toaster, the coffee pot, whatever. Plug-ins, more lights, more drawers. Northwood does not use wasted space. Anywhere that they can find space to put a cabinet or even a nook just to hang something, to put something for storage, they're going to do it. On the other end, we got the other barrel cabinet on the other end of the island. So both sides of the island have the barrel cabinet. Very, very nice. The signature Northwood with the kitchen shade or kitchen skylight with the shade. Do it in all. You're going to find one there and one in the bedroom when we go up top. The new island light here, very, very nice on the wood pedestal. Ceiling fan, fantastic fan with remote switch. So if we want to utilize the fantastic fan just to get a breeze going through, we're sitting at the couch watching TV, we can take the remote over there and run the fan, adjust our temperatures and our breeze. Stores right there. Come on upstairs. It's got solar already on it. We got our panel here with our gauges and on-off switches, slide switches as well. Northwood uses everything electric. They don't use hydraulic, so it's very easy to maintain. Walk into the bedroom. Another fantastic fan. Another skylight with shade. Remote control next to the bed. Nice big full 80-inch mattress. Storage underneath the bed with a safe. Comes with the vacuum cleaner. It's a plug-in 110 and 2 more folding chairs that have your monogrammed Arctic Fox labels on them, along with the throw blanket. Nice shelf above in the headrest area here. Plug-ins 110. USB and individual lighting on both sides of the bed. It's a very, very nice feature with their own little nightstands beside, with a drawer and cabinet below, and above cabinetry above. Nice woodwork above for their Northwood manufacturing logo. Nice big cabinetry in the bedroom. This is a slide out. Slide out's out, so it has plenty of space for the clothing. Big drawers, deep closets. Then as we go on, we got a walk-through bathroom that comes in from the hallway or from the bedroom. This has a snap above. Now you got to pay attention here. Snap above that unsnaps has to have the door open to run the slide out in. So there's a snap up here that keeps the door open so it doesn't get pinched for our bathroom in two. And then behind, with the door closed in the bedroom, in the bathroom, we have a cabinet here and the drawer down below. We got the corner glass shower, very nice, with a stool area. Another skylight above and another fantastic fan here in the bathroom. Porcelain toilet, nice vanity area, nice 110 lit convex mirror. Vanity above, down below. Really, really nice floor plan. It's short, it's a full profile, and getting a high quality level in a short fifth wheel. Come on outside, I'll show you some features. Has the large assist handle coming out. Friction hinge door. Underneath basement area. All sealed, heated, and enclosed. Nice big 1-inch thick baggage doors. The slam latch. It's got the 3.0 auto leveling system. The big 10-gallon auto switchover propane tanks. This is going to have the new graphics with the gray base color. Big Carefree Colorado power awning with the 6-way adjustable pitch awning, so we can angle our awning to get runoff instead of it bellowing on there and stretching the material and then not working later. Nice big one-piece end cap with nice usable lights here in our loading area. If we're loading up at night, we can turn those on right here at the light switch rather than going inside trying to find a switch. MoRide pin box is standard. MoRide does something unique that other guys don't do. It's got a nice big rubber cushion there that's going to move about 3 1/4 inches forward to backwards to eliminate that herky-jerky feel when you're pulling your fifth wheel, stopping and going from stop signs and lights. Going to absorb that, so a lot smoother ride. Real diamond plate on here that's metal. Help protect our fifth wheel, making it look good all the time. big, huge, what I call the cold storage, or this would be the area if we wanted to put a big generator there. The wardrobe slide, battery compartment area with battery trays that are on slide outs. It has solar on the roof. It also has a plug-in here for a portable solar A-frame panel in the different wattages that's available to increase our solar amperage. The basement storage here, our docking station with nice good quality battery disconnect switch, outside shower that's hot and cold, low point drains, freshwater hookup, water bypass switches. Our electrical panel for our auto leveling is inside the basement, therefore it's not getting wet where you see some of the other products that the control panel's on the outside, just waiting to get wet and malfunction on you. These guys put them inside, makes it really nice. Big gas and electric hot water heater. This one is a 16-gallon tank capacity, gas and electric. So much bigger than you're going to find in most other products. Again, made for the cold weather conditions. Another light here that I can push on and off right there, real easy to get to. Gate valves, real easy to access underneath. The living room slide, kitchen slide all in one on this side. And one thing I want to show, the side walls of the slides, all four sides are the same construction basically as the base of the coach itself. So this is a true Four Seasons slide out to make it a true four-season fifth wheel. Goodyear tires, Dexter axles, G-rated already, so you don't have to go and replace them. They put the good tires on it from the factory. One-piece end cap on the rear as well, so we have two end caps, front and rear. Full ladder for access to the roof, full walk-on roof. Little underneath storage that I talked about, storage underneath the dinette area. This is here, access from the outside as well. Sewer hose store down below. All LED lights. Nice big wiper seals. They use the big thick ones. Compare that to anybody else. You'll notice the Northwood uses the good thicker ones, not the real thin ones. Notice the gutters hanging off the ends of the roof to keep the water runoff coming off the coach, not running down the coach. Where they bead break their side panels to make it much more sturdier than just a flat piece of metal. Exterior stereo system and 110 plugins. These guys use on their axle systems their leaf spring as well as shock absorber. All four wheels and tires set up with electric brakes on each axle. So, you know, very, very good setup. And Northwood is one of the few, if not the last ones out there building fifth wheels today that actually start from the frame. They build their own frames in-house. They're using plywood, not particle wood. They're using a wood truss system that goes from a 5.5 inch to 3-inch truss. So water runoff, snow shed. Just build an incredible coach, and still building a coach that you can get good quality in a short unit. So very, very nice fifth wheel that they build at Northwood Manufacturing here in La Grande, Oregon. So we've carried this product here at Guaranty since about 1993. I've been with the company for 15 years with this product and very, very satisfied with it. If you have any questions on any of the Arctic Fox inventory or Northwood Manufacturing inventory, make sure to call me direct at 541-979-1770. Be happy to share all the information that I have with you on this product, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thank you and have a great day.